Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is my first video because I just discovered a video on Blender that was actually really cool. I'm gonna put the link right in the description. It's someone that actually was showing how to kind of do temporal denoising in Blender, which is something that is not native. And I just built the same thing in Nuke with some adjustments, and it works pretty well. So let me demonstrate. So here we have a plate of a fog render in Blender. Okay, so fog in 3D renders it's always noisy, mostly in Blender. And here you see if we play the plate, honestly it's fine, it's not that bad. But when I shuffle another light group, let me show you. So here's my plate. Okay. Then I have different light groups, as you can see. And so I shuffle this light group, for example. And I grade it with gamma down, so more contrast, and then gain up, just so we can see. Here you can see if I play the plate, it's really noisy. It's really almost not usable, okay? And so when we use the the plugin I just built, basically we can see this is without, this is with. So without and with. So it's amazing. It preserves the edges, it doesn't damage the plate, and it gets rid of most of the noise. There's still noise, but I mean, comparing to this, that's really cool. If you don't know how to import it in Nuke, don't worry, I made another video that's longer and that goes more in depth about it. It explains as well the tool and how it's made. I hope this video was useful to someone. Thank you again to Ganondorf for the original video on Blender. The channel is right in the description. If you like Blender and new content, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Have a good one.